This is Form Card, a handy pocket-sized card of meltable bioplastic that you can use to make, fix and modify the world around you. You can mould it quickly and simply to make little solutions to everyday problems. When it's cool, it's really strong like nylon, so you can make solid, durable solutions with it. And then you can reheat it again and again to adapt, change and reuse it. Because it's a handy card size, you can keep one in your pocket, wallet, kitchen drawer or toolbox so that it's there whenever and wherever it's needed. And because you know it melts in a cup of hot water, that might be in a cafe to fix a broken umbrella, or around a campfire to fix a broken tent pole. It's strong enough for quick solutions to emergency situations, like when you've forgotten a tool for a job or a handle breaks on something. Plastic has got a bit of a bad name. It's associated with a cheap, disposable world in which things break easily and then end up in the bin. Form Card is the opposite of that world. When it's very hot, it sticks to other plastics, so you can actually use it to instantly fix things, say a plastic shovel when you're on holiday. There are loads of amazing applications, and we'll be posting more examples online as the project develops.